Hey Math 6 kiddos, I've missed you so much. My goodness, what unusual times we're in. I hope you're doing okay at home. I hope you aren't too bored. But this is our first e-learning day and I have planned just a few things for you to get done. I didn't want to overwhelm you, so it's not too much, but I just wanted to clarify a couple of things, and I thought talking to you instead of you just hearing my voice might be a little more comforting since it's been so long since we've seen each other. So first off, I know we were in the middle of a grid that we were doing when we were last at school, which seems like so long ago, but we're gonna just pause that, not worry about it. We can always address it again later when we come back to school, but for now we're just going to do some review activities. So one of the things that is going to come up when we do start new content will be all decimal operations, so add, subtract, multiply, divide. So I figured that would be a good thing to review. So there's just going to be some review videos and then some kind of practice activity, whether it's IXL, whether it's a breakout activity. I'll try and mix it up so it's not the same thing every day. That tends to be boring that way. So when we're doing these review videos, I try to keep them as short as possible, and I really borrowed a lot from what was already made. And so if you already have that skill and you want to jump right to the practice, feel free to do that. That's up to you. But those are there to help you if you aren't sure how to do that task or that skill. The one other thing I wanted to address is that those of you that do need to do extra math, yes, that is still something we want to make sure we're doing. So please do that 3 times a week like we've done before. You can pick which days you want to do that, but I do want you to make sure you're keeping up with that as well, please, okay? Real quick, let me switch to my screen. So you'll probably see this from other teachers as well, but we have our homework board. This is what it looks like, which is very different than it has been in the past. But what you're going to do is each day, and I know it says Monday right now, we will adjust that, or we have adjusted that for our e-learning days. When we started this, we weren't 100% sure when those would be. So those will be adjusted accordingly, but just so you know, whichever day it is for that e-learning, you just click on this link, and it'll tell you day 1, or it might say the date, and it will show you exactly what you need from each teacher. So for mine, for example, other teachers will add on to this, but for mine, for example, you would have just gotten to this e-learning video, and then you're going to have your review videos to know about what skill it is, and then some kind of activity. So just click on the link as needed underneath your math section. And then again, if you need to do extra math, please make sure you're doing that as well. So I just wanted to again say how much I miss you, and I hope you're doing well at home, staying safe, staying healthy, and I'm excited to get back into teaching and honestly learning with you too, because this e-learning is new for all of us, and so it's going to be a lot of a learning curve. So please make sure you ask questions through email, or if there's another resource that you can use. Remember, we have our office hours available, so feel free to contact me during those times to get a more immediate response, but otherwise I will be available to you the best I possibly can. Good luck, and I'm glad to be working with you again.